In this video, I'll be explaining to you how to check your Jamb results. If you search for 2024 Jamb, the Jamb result is out. So there are two ways in which you can check the results. You can check it through website and you can check it through your phone, SMS. So in this video, I will explain to you the two ways in which you can check your Jamb results. So the first one, which is their website. So you have to visit Jamb website. You go to your Google, you press on the Jamb website https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng. Once it brought out the page, you look for where you have the login. It will bring out the login icon. So in your login, there are two things that you have to put there. You enter your email and your password in the second column. And after that, you go to a button where they write check UTME results. So on that, you tap on the button and it will bring your UTME results scores per subject. Okay. So the second way, checking your Jamb 2024 results through SMS. So what you have to do is to type. You go to your message app first. You type results. It must be in capital letter, followed by your number, your registration number. So you send it like an SMS. You send it to 55019, or in the alternative, you can also send it to 66019. So it will also bring your results. It will bring your UTME scores, and it will highlight it per subject. So the SMS will just take 15 naira out of your credit. So these are the two ways in which you can check your Jamb results. Thank you. You can subscribe to our channel. In this channel, we teach mathematics, physics, and chemistry. I have a lot of videos on it. So if you have any problem, you can check on this channel. So I will put the link of the website of the Jamb, which is https that I said the other time. I will put it in the link in the description below. So you can check it. You just click on it to navigate. I wish you success in your Jamb. Thank you and God bless.